It is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's start with gainx 1200. Okay, guys, this is gainx 1200. It had been on uptrend for a very long time. It has gotten, I've been waiting for it to get to this point where we can go into a downtrend. Okay, so right now it has just given us a downtrend signal, so we expect it to sell more. However, it might want to have a pullback before going into downtrend fully. Okay, so this is very, very important. So once you understand this, then you will definitely milk the market. So we expect more selling opportunity. At least it should get to this region, and if it breaks up from there, then it should also get to this region. There might be some pullbacks in between, but it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's move on to gainx 999. Okay, so guys, this is gainx 999, and this had been on uptrend for a while. Got to this region at a reason to sell for a while. Okay, it has gone back up. Okay, actually I expected it to go down more than this, but it had another pullback, and definitely if it didn't break out above this resistance zone, then it's going to sell more, because this is giving us the M vibe, so it's going to sell more right from there. Okay, so for now, buying, but it won't be for long, because if it's unable to break out from there, then it's going to sell. So we should expect the downtrend signal before we jump into it. Okay, so that is very, very important. Let's check out Pnex 1200. Pnex 1200 was on downtrend before, but got to this support zone, and it's bought for a while. And of course, right from there, it came down again. And of course, this will be forming the W vibes. That is, if it does not break out below this support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. So it's still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for long, because if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will buy more. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999, and of course, let's check the current chart. Okay, this actually went on downtrend right from here, got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So if it's unable to break out from there, then it's going to buy. But for now, it is still selling. So let's watch out for it till it's unable to break out from there. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from there, then it will give us the uptrend signal. Then we should jump into it right from there. Okay, so right now let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. This had been on downtrend for a while, got to this region, had another pullback, and of course, it is still selling at the moment. So I'm going to say this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So if it's unable to break out below the next support zone, then it's most likely for it to go back on uptrend. But for now, we expect it to sell more. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis before going into it. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.